experimenting with breathing.
We need a reminder to do many things, for going to school, for doing exercise, for eating food, and for many things. But no one tells us to breathe. It is the only thing we do without any reminder. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Can we hold our breath for a longer time? No, we can't live without breathing air, as it is a continuous process. The process of taking in oxygen and leaving out carbon dioxide is called breathing. Let us know the process of breathing in our body. When we breathe in, the air enters into the nose through nostrils. The air inside the nostrils clean the air and stop the dust particles from entering into the lungs. Through the nose, the air enters into the throat and to the trachea or windpipe. They carry air to the lungs through tubes called bronchi. We have a pair of lungs on the right and left side of the chest, protected by the rib cage. In the lungs, the bronchi branch into smaller tubes called bronchioles. These tubes help the air to reach the lungs. When the air reaches the alveoli, the oxygen enters into the lungs and carbon dioxide is removed. Oxygen is then absorbed by the blood and carried to the heart. The heart pumps the oxygen-rich blood and is carried to different parts of the body. In lungs, breathing process is carried out in two ways: inhalation and exhalation. Let us know about them in detail. Inhalation. Diaphragm has a very important role in the breathing process. It is a dome-shaped organ present below the lungs that separates the abdomen and the chest cavity. During the inhalation process, when we breathe in air, the diaphragm gets flattened and the rib cage moves upwards to allow the entry of air into the lungs. Exhalation. The opposite happens during exhalation. When we breathe out air, the rib cage comes back to its normal position and the diaphragm rises upwards, pushing the carbon dioxide out of the lungs. This is called exhalation. When the oxygen is absorbed by the blood, it is carried to the heart. Then, the inhaled air is carried to different parts of the body through blood. The entire process of inhalation and exhalation is called respiration. A normal person breathes approximately 16 to 18 times per minute.
Let us recall. Our breathing system consists of organs like the nose, trachea, diaphragm, and lungs. Breathing mechanism involves two main processes called inhalation and exhalation. When we breathe in oxygen, it is called inhalation. When we breathe out carbon dioxide, it is called exhalation.